Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3, Unit 1, Lesson 6, Extreme Living.
3. Presentation Plus for B1 level learners, designed especially for the 9th grade. Open up your student's book, page 115. Unit 1, CLIL, Biology, Global Warming. Section 1, work with a partner. Answer the questions about the greenhouse effect. Number 1 through 4. Number 1, what is the greenhouse effect? Find the entry A, B, C, or D that answers that question. Number 2, which gases cause the greenhouse effect? It's either A, B, C, or D. Number 3, what is a greenhouse? Choose A, B, C, or D. Number 4, how does a greenhouse work? Now listen and check your work.
CD 1, Track 51. Listen and check. Global warming. What is a greenhouse?
A greenhouse is a structure made of glass or plastic. Farmers and gardeners use them for growing plants in.
How does a greenhouse work?
A greenhouse changes sunlight into heat. The sun's radiation goes through the glass or plastic walls and roof as light. This heats up the air. Then the walls and roof keep the heat inside.
What is the greenhouse effect?
When we talk about the greenhouse effect, we mean the planet is working like a greenhouse. The sun's radiation enters the Earth's atmosphere and heats up the Earth's surface. Thermal infrared radiation comes from the Earth's surface, but gases in the atmosphere don't allow it all to escape. In fact, they reflect it back at the Earth like the walls and roof of a greenhouse. This causes what scientists call global warming.
Which gases cause the greenhouse effect?
Different gases cause the greenhouse effect. The most common are water vapor, carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. All of these gases exist naturally in our environment. Without them, the Earth would be too cold to support life. But too much of them can make temperatures rise. In fact, nowadays, the average global surface temperature is almost a degree higher than it was 100 years ago.
Now go ahead and take a look at your corrections on the screen now. Section 4. Match the words in bold from the text to the numbers in the diagram. Section 5. Work with a partner. What problems does global warming cause? Make a list using your notebook. Section 6. Read the information and check your answers from Exercise 5. Pause this video and then resume after you have answered this Section 6. Section 6. Corrections. The suggested answers for this exercise would be, ideally, consisting of the polar ice caps are melting and causing sea levels to rise. Therefore, higher sea levels produce floods in coastal areas. It can also cause extreme weather conditions, unstable temperatures, unstable weather. Water vapor evaporates from the land quickly and land can turn into desert. So the vice versa. The water evaporates, the land turning into desert in some areas, and in other deserts become water-filled. So it's more and more difficult to farm land because the weather is unstable, therefore causing extreme weather conditions. Section 7. Now your turn. Work with a partner or individually. Make a list of things you can do at home to reduce the amount of CO2s you produce. Then compare your list with others. Put this entry into your notebook. Then learn about the greenhouse effects. Why is the earth getting hotter? What happens to the oceans? And what happens to the water? Go ahead, enjoy your video. Hot topics.
Hot topics. Our planet is getting warmer every year. But why? When we burn fossil fuels such as coal or oil, we pollute the air with greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat inside the atmosphere. The main greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. The Earth is getting hotter because there is too much carbon dioxide in the air. As a result, oceans get warmer too. That's a big problem for our environment.
Take a look at this. It's a bottle of club soda that we've kept at room temperature. This is a bottle of club soda that we've kept on ice. Now watch what happens when we open them both at the same time. Look at the bubbles. There are a lot more bubbles coming out of the warm bottle than the one that's cooler. The same thing happens in the ocean. The cool ocean can hold more carbon dioxide dissolved than the warm ocean. So as the world gets warmer, the ocean gets warmer, more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, and that makes the greenhouse effect stronger, and the world gets warmer and the ocean gets warmer.
All that carbon dioxide changes the ocean's chemistry too. It makes the water more acidic. A lot of sea life, like coral reefs and fish, can't survive in warm, acidic water. So what can we do about it?
In your notebooks, go ahead and answer these questions. What can we do about it? Once you have done this, go ahead and do the quick quiz at the end of this lesson. And don't forget, take a picture and send it through the classroom. See you in your next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.